to you, close to you, close to you. Suddenly you find yourself alone. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you, close to you, close to you. Why do stars, they fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, how they long to be close to you, close to you, close to you. Suddenly you find yourself alone. Half of the night, la 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 la, da da da. Half the midnight, la 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 la. Oh 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 oh. What is there to say when all the lovers slipped away in half the midnight? There is always someone we can blame, and in the end it's just the same. Oh, suddenly you find yourself alone. On the day that you were born, you just got together and decided to create a dream come true. And so they sprinkle moon dust in your hair and gold star and in your eyes so blue. And that is why all those girls in town, they follow you all around. 'Cause just like me, they long to be close to you, 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 close to you. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong ikalolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalarin na ako iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang lumibot ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako ay mamalasing at meron ka ng ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang